In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters in Monday.com. Let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently manage your data by using filters. First, you'll want to open the Monday board where you intend to add filters. With your board open, direct your attention to the Filter button. This is your gateway to selecting from the quick filters available. Once you click on the Filter button, you'll see a list displaying all of the values associated with each column on your board. It's as simple as clicking on one or multiple values, and those will be the only ones visible on your board. This immediate filtering capability means you can quickly hone in on the data you need directly from any column you choose. This feature is particularly useful when you need to temporarily focus on specific criteria or isolate certain information without altering the board permanently. If, however, you wish to create a more tailored view, Monday.com offers the option to construct an advanced filter. To access this, you'll need to click on the drop-down arrow located next to the Filter button. This action will allow you to set up a custom column filter. With this capability, you can select the specific column you're interested in, define the condition for the filter, and then choose the particular value that matches your needs. This advanced filtering option provides greater flexibility, enabling you to customize your view based on sophisticated criteria. Once you've established your filters to your satisfaction, there's a convenient way to save this configuration for future use. You can create a view tab of this filtered setup so that it's readily accessible whenever you need it, eliminating the hassle of reapplying your filters each time. To do this, simply click the Filter button again to bring up the filter options and look to the top right. You'll find the Save as New View option here. Once selected, this filtered view will be added to your view tabs, making it easily retrievable. If you ever wish to return to your original setup, you can always switch back to the Main Table View tab with ease. And there you have it. That's the complete rundown on how to effectively use filters in Monday.com. By leveraging quick filters and advanced filtering options, and by saving your preferred views, you can maximize your productivity and keep your workflows organized.